Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to check Telegram block list. We start by opening Telegram and open the top drop-down menu. After that, we will enter the settings option. Here we will click on Privacy and Security, and then on Blocked Users. Finally, here we can see our blocked users that we can unblock if we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.